Hi everyone, this is Rich from Upload Security, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a snapshot, import a VM, and export a VM so that you can take this VM and put it into a storage device and then upload it to another computer running VirtualBox and then have that VM there as well. And a snapshot is a good way to back up your VM and restore it to a default state in case something happens. First, let's go to our three little dot menu. Then we're going to take, this is a snapshot. What I normally do when I do my default snapshot is default, and that's after I fully updated it and have it running properly. I'll hit OK, and then it took a quick snapshot. If you want to restore to this point, right click and then click restore, and it should back up your VM to this state in case something happens. If you want to import or export, we can do export appliance. We're going to click our nice Ubuntu VM. Okay, I'm going to do enter. We're going to use open virtualization format 1 because that's the default, and typically it's the better one to use because it's a standardized format and it'll be accepted into older versions in case you're using an older version of VirtualBox on different machines. We are going to include the ISO image. We're going to include everything, include the NAT network adapter, MAC address. We're going to export it to documents, Ubuntu OVA, open virtualization format, or OVA. We're going to hit enter. You can add details if you want to. Enter again. And then it's going to start exporting. Okay, awesome. Everything is done. And from here, I'm going to teach you how to import. But let's go see if we can grab a Windows dev machine to import it. Something different besides just importing what we just exported. So let's type in Windows dev VM. We're going to grab VirtualBox. And then when this finishes downloading, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I feel like I should also state that this Microsoft dev machines are free to use and they're designed for people who want to develop an app for Windows to run and see how it runs and if there's any problems. And can be used on, again, VMware, VirtualBox, and other things. So from here, let's click on our zip file. We are going to extract all to the downloads directory. We'll extract it. It's going to take a second. And once it finishes, we'll import it into VirtualBox. Okay, it's finished extracting. Let's close out this. Let's go to VirtualBox, go to File, Import Appliance. We're going to go to Downloads. And we're going to open the file we extracted. Hit enter. That should be everything. Then we're going to hit enter again. It's going to start importing. This may fail out the first time when you're importing appliances, but that's fine. Just retry it and it should import it. And if you keep having issues, it might be the VM or something might have corrupted on the export. Sometimes you get errors importing if you have hardware differences when you're importing. If you change them and the VM is default is set up to a certain hardware, and when you're importing it you set it to something else, like you gave it a different network adapter or something like that, you'll get errors. So I suggest when you migrate images over or VMs, when you import export, keep everything the same, moving them over so you don't run into those issues. Alright, now let's launch the VM, start it up, and then get it booted. For the Windows dev machines, they expire after 90 days, and they recommend creating snapshots when you first install the machine so you can roll back. And the password is capital PASS0RD exclamation point. And we'll go over that when we're logging in. Oh, good. This is the Windows 10 eval, so it's just auto-logging us in. That's great. But the default password again is capital PASSW0RD exclamation point. You can look this up on the dev machine webpage as well, or Google, and it will let you know. Alright, awesome. Everything's working like it should be. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.